In today's video, I will be showing you how to download Microsoft desktop themes for your Windows 10 PC. So if you right click on your desktop and go on to Personalise and then go on to Themes, you can choose a different theme for your PC. Generally a theme changes your background picture, the Windows colours and also any sounds. So you can create your own custom one to your preferences, or you can choose a Windows theme below, so a light or a dark. They've got a couple of also images on the bottom here. And you can also click on Get More Themes in the Microsoft Store. So if I click on this, you then have a large range to choose from. But if you click on the link that's in the description below, you will end up on a page that looks like this. And you can then download additional themes as well to make your desktop look however you want it to. So if I go ahead and click on the drop down arrow next to animals, as you can see there is a large range of themes to choose from. So let's go for the African wildlife theme. So if you just click on download, then you just need to click on OK with open with, and your theme will now be changed to the African wildlife theme. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a slight colour change on the menus here. So it's got like a brownish colour. If I minimise down to my desktop, as you can see I've got the African elephants wallpaper, and if I now open up the themes page, as you can see it's changed it to this theme here. If I now go back onto the link that I gave you, we can choose a different theme. So you can choose from a lot of games, so they've got things like Disney Infinity, Forza, Fruit Ninja, there's Gears of War. You can choose from automotive, so you've got again some Forza, different cars, classic sports theme. And you've also got natural wonders, movies and branded themes. So let's just go for a branded, see what we've got. And let's go for an Angry Birds theme and press OK. And there you go. It's now changed it to the Angry Birds theme. If we now right click on the desktop, go back to Personalise and then go back onto Themes. As you can see, we've now got both themes available to us. So if you did want to switch back to the African wildlife, just simply click on it and it will change it for you. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.